Welcome to London. We're below the London Eye on the Southbank Centre. Looking across, we're going to cross the Golden Jubilee Bridge, walk through the Southbank Centre with the carousel, and we're going to cross this bridge that's a footbridge along with a bridge for trains. Check out this view. It's incredible. Big Ben, Parliament, Westminster. Just a quick reminder, if you like videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Off of the bridge, and we're going to cross over and walk a little less than a block, and we will see Tattershall Castle, which you're going to be surprised because it's not really a castle. It's a floating boat that has a pub inside of it. So that's where we're going, and dinner was great. We're right across from the London Eye, and here's the inside of the pub. And that was our view.